What's going on, everyone? Joe here with Good Old Scratch Custom Apparel. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I'm going to make this one real quick, but it's very important. So for those that have the Prestige R2 Pro, this video is going to be the daily maintenance video. So when I say daily, I really mean when you find it applicable to do. So if you run your machine a lot, you're going to want to do this maintenance process quite often. And you'll notice by the condition that it's in when you're using it. I'm going to be using the DTF Textile Pigment Ink cleaning solution that comes with your Prestige R2 Pro. I'm going to be using some cleaning swabs and this syringe. So join me. Have the tools for the maintenance process ready to go. The first step I'm going to do is clean around the print head. So what I want to do is make sure that the media is out of the way. So using the arrows, I pull the media all the way back to the pinch wheels. Once that's back, I'm going to use the left arrow to put the print head all the way to the left of the machine. Next, I took a cleaning swab and dipped it into the cleaning solution and began to remove the excess dried up ink around the print head. I'm going to leave the print head where it is and then head over to the capping station. As you can see, it's a disaster. So what you want to do is take a brand new cleaning swab. You're going to probably use a couple or a few of them depending on the condition. Dip the cleaning swab into the cleaning solution and begin to remove excess ink from the wiper blade and the capping station. Then I took a dry cleaning swab and wiped away the excess cleaning solution from the wiper blade and the caps. Next, I took a syringe full of cleaning solution and wet capped both cap sponges. And then for the last part, I hit the enter button so the print head went back to the capping station. Once it's there, you're going to hit the cleaning button on the Prestige R2 Pro. That's going to drain the cleaning solution from the capping station. The maintenance is now complete and I'm ready to print. And that's all it takes. A quick process to make sure that your Prestige R2 Pro is running the best that it can with this daily maintenance. Just keep an eye on your capping station. Make sure your wiper blade is cleared up from any dried ink. You do this every so often, your printer's going to thank you with some wonderful results. I hope this video helped. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you have questions on this process, please leave them in the comments. I appreciate you all and keep being a rock star.
Quite a lot.